In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Hostinger. Making sure your account is secure with a strong, unique password is one of the simplest but most important steps you can take to protect your online presence. Whether you've forgotten your password or it's simply time for an update, I'll guide you through the process in the next few minutes. First, we want to start by heading over to the Hostinger website, which you can easily find by typing Hostinger into your web browser. Once you arrive at the site, you'll see an inviting homepage that greets you. Look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Give that a click and it's time to enter your login credentials. If you currently remember your password, simply go ahead and log in as you normally would. If you need to reset your password because you've forgotten it, there should be an option to retrieve or reset it on this page, usually just below the login fields. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's hPanel dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your website and account. From here, let's navigate to the Profile section. To find it, look towards the top right of your dashboard page, where you might see either your username or an icon representing your account. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labelled Account Information and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page for managing all your personal and account details. Here, you will find all the preferences and details you've set on your account. Pay special attention to the security settings because this is the area where we're going to update your password. Now find the section that has the option labelled Add Password. Clicking this will bring up a prompt asking you to set a new password for your account. It's a good idea to choose something secure and not easily guessed. A strong password typically contains a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Remember, it shouldn't be something like password123 or your birthday. Once you've decided on your new password, enter it carefully in the provided fields. You might need to confirm it by typing it twice, just to make sure there are no typos. This extra step helps ensure that your password matches what you intend it to be, so take your time here. Finally, hit the save button, and voila! Your Hostinger password is now updated to help keep your account secure. If you followed all these steps, you are now more secure on Hostinger. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to Hostinger's support team. They're always ready to help you out. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.